13 from Vikas Drawing Coloring Book Class 2nd. On page number 12 there is one picture is already given. We have to draw the some parts on page number 13 and do the complete drawing with the help of page number 12. As you can see, there is some line, curve line is there for the cloud shape. You can draw that with the help of pencil, and all remaining parts draw with the pencil and complete the all drawing before coloring. After completing all drawing, we are going to start to use coloring. From the top surface, if you want to use a light blue color for sky, you can use it, but on page number 12 there is a one light orange color shade is given. If you don't have the same color shade, you can use a different color. Here I use yellow ochre color and paint the upside part like this way. When you painting any part, see that how I paint the outline part first, then paint inside. You know how to make it smooth. With the help of cotton or tissue paper we can make it smooth. It is depend on you how you are going to make it smooth. Now paint the all parts, those we draw with the help of pencil. After completing, we are going to do the border with the help of black, unless you can use a grey color also, because on this picture there is a grey color is given. That's why if you want to use a grey color, you can use it. It's totally depend on you, of your choice. Now paint the all parts sharp and properly. Those on page number 12 already given. Color combination. If you want to make certain changes in color, you can change it. Downside, as you can see, there is some wave line is there for the ocean part. Here I use blue color shades to color it, as well as violet color also you can use that, and make the lines like same way and complete the downside part. After completing all color, use a black color to do border, unless you can use a grey color. Okay, here I use a black color. After border, it's look like this. Okay, after completing, it's look like this. Today we learn page number 13 from Vikas Craft Book Class